freaking shots. Y'all see my location? That's right, guys. I am at the world famous. Whoa, that was close. Brothers Motors. Yes, I gotta go over here. I had a customer to deliver her engine, guys. We got some more YouTube. It is crowded around here. They finally delivered that Hemi we're about to install on this 1500. Customer I met on YouTube, by the way. They know who they are. I appreciate you. We're gonna get this. Brothers Motors kind of crowded, but we're gonna get this engine knocked out. Is that the truck right there? I think that's the truck. She want a new engine. We're not gonna try to rebuild or fix the one in it. Damn it, just let's do a swap out and get it over with. That way you get a nice 50,000 mile warranty, I want to say. So guys, I'm here. This is a hashtag short video. Hey, that charger's still here. Y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot of work over here to catch up on. All right. Hey, that other charger's still here too. So let me get out here and see how I can help. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. That's right. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing running. I forgot about that one. That white one right there. It's that Challenger, man. I wondered did the engine come on. A lot of these guys, they just want engines, and we don't mind because that's what we do, man. We swap out an engine or a transmission in a heartbeat. It's just we getting out of the habit of wasting a lot of time. Unless it's something buildable like a Pentastar or cam and lifters. Even the cam and lifters are a little. It really, both guys, depend on the mileage. Okay, so if your mileage is intact, then yeah, we can go for it. I can't remember what this one's for. It's a 392 as well. I think coolant leak. Yeah, they blew something. These guys, they think just because they got a racetrack ready, so they get on these tracks and pressure build up and they're not prepared for, I don't know, it could get crazy. But yeah, and then of course that red one over here, but I forgot about him. That's another one of my YouTube guys. He got a 392 as well. So his AC, he wants some AC. Now depending on the year, guys, I don't know, I can't remember if this 134 or 1234YF, the expensive stuff. Think about it, we don't have a 1234YF machine, so we got to sublet most of that work out to All Park Garage. They finally broke down and got the machine. All right, so let me go ahead and check in, guys. I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, so I just got abrupt or brought up to steam on a lot of this stuff. That's one of ours too. Yeah, mostly all the Chryslers over here one of ours. You know what's weird? This guy, he's renting out this shop. All right, he be having Chryslers over there kicking his butt. You don't know what he's doing. Now we not buttholes, we not assholes. So you know, if you ask us something, but we're not gonna just flat out diagnose the car for you. I mean, come on now, let's be realistic. But he had a Jeep over there about last week that was eating its lunch. He couldn't figure out why it was doing what it was doing. I was like, yo, man, we can check it out, but we got to charge you. You know what I'm saying? This stuff, my dude had to buy a subscription, YTech subscription. So, yeah, he got all that diagnostic software. It's got to be paid for. So, I don't know if he ever ended up doing it or not. But, yeah, it's just to diagnose something, it's not freaking free. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're not buttholes, but however, we got to get paid for this stuff. What this Malibu doing? This Chrysler 200, I think this one of ours. She got I think she bought this from an auction. Guys, I told y'all, when y'all taking chances with these auctions, be careful. All right? Because that car is at the auction for a reason. You see what I'm saying? It's not a game. Like somebody either had a hard mechanical problem with it and they took it to the auction to get rid of it. Now you bought it thinking you getting a good deal because no body damage. It look beautiful, right? Yeah, but it's got some hidden problem going on with it that you will not find out until you drive it or go get it inspected. And that's exactly what happened. We got to figure out what's going on with this. I can't remember the complaint on this one, but we slam, guys. I want to say about 30% of this work over here is based from YouTube, guys, off of YouTube. But I've toned down taking more appointments because we got to get caught up. I'm not over here full time. All right, I'll never come. I don't have time to go full time here. So I bounce around from 4 different shops. So I really can't give my all here. But when I can, like tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm gonna come over here, roll my sleeve up and get to work. All right, especially on the ones that I've promised out You know what I'm saying? I got to keep my word, man. I'm a man of my word. So if I say I'm going to try to have something done by a certain time, I will. Okay? Or at least I'm going to give it my best shot. If I can't, I'm going to let you know. Just be mindful of that. Okay? So, no, I don't think, this is not our GMC or this BMW. I think this is the other guys. We only lease out two parts of the, two stalls. We only lease out 2 stalls. But, yeah, man, Brothers Motors. We about to get another location, guys. I think that's one of our Seabrings. So when we get our other location, older model Jeep down here. What y'all know about this? I bet that one has an inline 6. Who old enough to remember that inline 6? That 4.0, 4-liter baby, cast iron steel. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and lasts forever. If it wasn't for emission standards, the engine would still be going in cars. At least Jeeps, that is. But yeah, it is a nice BMW there. From what I'm hearing, guys, I don't do a lot of work on the BMWs. But from what I'm hearing, those cars are, they not, let me stop. I'm going to end that alone. I'm going to leave that alone. But let me go, I got to go get some parts now for that one of my customers. We're doing a full-blown tune-up on his, he got a Caravan, and he uses it for ride share. Y'all know how abusive ride share drivers can be. All right? Yeah, they don't play. They put constant miles on their stuff, and they don't mess around. So I want to make sure his vehicle is ready for that abuse. All right, I'm going to do a trans service, coolant flush, change the oil. I've already, taken care of the ticking issue. He got like 180,000 miles on it, so we can keep that thing on the road, even though it's a look, it's 180,000 miles, a 2016 model. No big deal. All right, just keep up with your maintenance. That vehicle should be. And it's a minivan, so he make more money because of it's a minivan. All right, so let me go make my last one. It's a Hellcat in here. I want to show y'all how the setup is with the oil cooler. Hellcat is 6.2 supercharged engine. Requires an additional oil cooler that goes in the front. Okay, somebody was asking me about one. In fact, let's go in the shop, guys. I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. Real quick, guys, this is a Challenger, Dodge Challenger. I want to show, somebody was asking me about draining the oil on the cooler, the oil cooler. Y'all know all the 6.2 supercharged Hellcat trim engines or setup. It's a Challenger. Will include a oil cooler, all right? Yes, oil cooler is right above the oil filter, of course. It's going to have 2 lines running out in front of the bumper. See, the bumper is off of this one, so it's very visible on this one. All right. Yes. Take you a half-inch. Look like. Drain the oil out. Oil out. When you're doing an oil change, yes. Reach up under the cowl and drain the oil out of here as well. They do this at the dealer as well. So you want all the old oil out because that oil is basically circulating. All right. It's headed to an oil cooler. Looks similar to a trans cooler. All right. Radiator, what have you. But yeah, let's get the oil out of there as well. This is 6.2 supercharged Hellcat trim engine. Very powerful. All right. Thanks for watching.